Hi YouTube, just thought I'd make a quick video about a nice little set of grips that I like to put on some of my pistols. I'm not advocating for any particular brand, although I will say all of these are Talon Grips. And I've gotten some pretty good results off of these. I prefer it to a smooth grip, and in some cases to the grip that came on the firearm. So the first one goes on this Smith & Wesson Sigma that I got as a gift years ago. Obviously, many of you know about the firearms, not that fancy. I was really impressed with the appearance, how the grips changed the appearance of the firearm itself. And as this one has a relatively smooth grip with a tiny bit of checkering on it, the rubbery grip texture of these was actually really nice. It made a big difference in how the firearm handles. It's got the little cutouts for the Smith & Wesson emblem and the little T for Talon Grips, which I don't really care about, but it definitely made a big difference in how the gun feels in my hand. So I was pretty pleased with that, and they're relatively inexpensive, and they came cut out. This one, actually, the cutouts were for the SW40VE, and this is just a V, but I suspect they would fit on just about any of the similar models. As long as you get a nice good adhesion. And the next one I threw on there was for my old Gen 2 Glock 19. These were very specific to a Glock 19 Gen 2. And as you can see, the cutouts were really, really nice. They came out very, very even and right where they should, with the little Glock cutout. The finger grips were good. And again, these are just the rubbery ones. I did not opt for the grippier, almost sandpaper texture that the Talon Grips offers on some of these. I preferred this particular texture, both for holding, long range days and how the grip will feel after extended use, as well as how it would work, in a concealed carry position. Now the third one I put on an old Hungarian Walther PP clone, 32 caliber. This obviously, Talon Grips does not make specific cutouts for this one. So what I did was just bought a blank sheet of material and put the grips down on top of the material and traced it with a black marker and cut it out. And for this, it made a big difference. This is a small blowback operated handgun, very snappy. And these made it much more comfortable, great grip texture, and with nothing more than a quick cutout with a pair of scissors and a hair dryer and some extended time making sure that they were sealed properly, they fit really nice. They came out perfectly shaped. Obviously, there's no cutouts for the little manufacturer emblem. It was easy to punch a little hole for the screw, which wasn't a big deal. You can see where the emblem on the grip is through there, but there's no cutout, and I wasn't going to attempt to do that. I was pretty happy with the texture, and would recommend it for anything old like that. And just because I had some extra, I went ahead and slapped some on my old buck knife. Obviously, this isn't a firearm, it's just to show that you can use this for a number of different purposes if you get the sheets. I love the way this knife looks. The grip's beautiful, but it's just very slick. And throwing this on there without really spending a whole lot of time doing it, a couple of strips and one piece to go over the back, improved the grip tremendously. So anyway, just wanted to kind of do that quick overview. Again, not advocating for the brand, but if anybody considers something like this, the nice thing is if you put it on there and decide you don't really like it that much, they peel right back off, and they're not that expensive, so you're not out much. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.